Ram Krishna Hari. Today Hari part number 9. Vishnu Veena Jaba Vyapta Dhyache Jnana Ramakrishni Mana Nahi Dhyache Abhajoni Karanta Nene Advaita Vata Ramakrishni Paita Kaise Ni Hoya Dvaitachi Jadani Guru Veena Jnana Taya Kaise Kirtana Gadela Nami Jnanadeva Mane Sahuna He Dhyana Nama Pata Mauna Prapanchache. This is the song. We will see the meaning one by one. Vishnu Veena Jaba Vyakta Dhyache Jnana Ramakrishni Mana Nahi Dhyache. See, we all know the aim of the Hari Path. That means developing a love feel towards God. That is aim of the Hari Path. And for that purpose, our Guru Jnanadev is keep on giving lot of tips, what to do and what not to do. All these things has been in each and every song he is explaining. In the last song also, again he has stressed out the importance of Satsanga, Sadhu Sangha, the importance of Guru. And now in this Abhanga, his main motto is to clarify us, to teach us what will happen if we don't catch hold of the Satsanga or Guru. See, he is giving simple tips to achieve the love towards God. But if we don't follow, what will happen? So that is what has been explained here. So in the first line, whatever the knowledge you may have, and even if you do the japa also, and if you don't think about the God, and if you totally forgetting the Vishnu, which means the ultimate God, and everything is going to be wasted. Which means that in your mind there will not be any peace, or because as long as the God is in your mind, naturally the peace will be there. But if there is no God in your mind, automatically you will be in always some kind of stress, fear, depression. So he is telling here, you might have tons and tons of knowledge like maths, science, physics, whatever the knowledge you may have. Even the spiritual knowledge itself you may have, that you may be able to understand that everything is one and the same, and it is the one which has been manifested in innumerable number of forms. You may have all this knowledge. And somebody else would be chanting the name of God without any feel of God. So, without God feel, the knowledge and japa which you do is not going to induce any bhakti in your life. See, what is the yardstick to know that the bhakti is there or not? Our mind should be always filled with the feel of God. That is the essence to know that we are in bhakti. So that is not going to happen, and if you don't feel and do the practice. So therefore, if you do some kind of practice but without the feel, then there will not be Ramakrishna in your mind. Your mind should be filled with the feel of Ramakrishna. See what I am telling. If we have to create the feel initially, and we have to put practice initially, then naturally it will go into the subconscious mind, then you will start feeling automatically. Anything must be practiced initially. If we keep on practice something, after some time, after we become an expert, then automatically, naturally, we can able to do that action without any effort also. You can give an example like bicycle or typewriting. Initially, we need to have a focus and concentration to create what we are doing, to create a feel before what we are doing. When it has been completely expertise in that particular thing, after that, the moment when you put your fingers on the keyboard, automatically your fingers will start typewriting. So, if you keep on chanting the God's name with feel, then that feel will automatically inside your mind. So without chanting also, you will always be in this love feel of God. So that will happen by through proper practice, which means that proper practices do chant the name of the God with full of love feel. So that is the real practice. That will naturally and automatically induce you the God inside your mind. Okay? So this is what the first line says. Vishnu Veena Jaba Vyartha Dhyache Jnana Ramakrishni Mana Nahi Dhyache. So the God will never go inside your mind if you do any practice without the feel of God. And in the next line, Bajoni Karanta Neni Advaita Vata Ramakrishni Paita Kaisheni Hoya. This I try to relate with one more line in the one of the previous Abhanga, wherein he says that Tape Veena Daivata Titalya Veena Praptha Gurje Veena Hitha Kona Sange. Almost the meanings, I think it is reflected here also. So if you don't have fortunate means karma, previous karma we can say. If you would have been already performed a lot of good deeds in the previous birth, naturally we can get a guru and we can get a good feel and love feel towards the God. But we already don't have such a kind of good deeds. So what will happen? We will take birth. We will take unfortunate and unlucky birth wherein we cannot understand the Advaita. That means a path of non-duality. So that is the essence of spirituality. So that cannot be understood if we take the birth of a local birth, we can say, low quality birth, in the sense that we cannot had a chance to know about this bhakti and yoga, marga and everything. So our Mauli, Guru Mauli wanted to particularly give solution to everyone in this world, So therefore, he is particularly telling that, okay, if you have taken unlucky birth, you cannot know the path of non-duality. And of course, Ramakrishna Paisa Kaiseni Hoya. In such case, how will you get the abode of Ramakrishna? So it is impossible for such a person to get the abode of Ramakrishna if they took an unlucky birth and if they are unable to understand the path of non-duality. So particularly in these lines, what we need to understand, you see, you have not taken birth like a Jnanadeva. So by just telling that, Nivartinath told only 1 second, then immediately he became a Jnani, which indicates that he already has in his previous birth, he has got a very good deeds, therefore he was able to understand immediately. So there are many Jnanis we are able to understand that just within a second they achieved a very great stage. How it is possible? It is just possible because in the previous birth itself they have done almost all the practices. But in our case it is not so. So we don't have such a good previous deed so that we can easily understand the God automatically or by simple tips of someone else. So therefore, he is warning us and he is just giving a caution that, see, you don't know the path of non-duality. You have taken such a birth. In such case, you can never have the abode of Ramakrishna in your mind. So having caution on this, he is giving an advice and simple technique for you also. Even for such a person also, there is a way. I will tell that way. So that is what it has been explained in the another line. Dvaitache jadani guruvina jnana taya kaise kirtana gadela nami. Here again he is explaining, see, you took in such a birth wherein you don't know the path of non-duality. Okay. One must swipe away the sense of duality. Unless and otherwise you swipe away the sense of duality, it is impossible for you to reach the God and to achieve the final state of spirituality. Okay, no problem. Still you have a chance. I was keep on explaining in my Abhangas, in the last Abhanga and almost all Abhangas. Catch hold of Guru, catch hold of Sadhu, And once if you catch hold of it, even if you don't have any previous good deeds, or even if you don't know anything about the path of non-duality, but the Guru will take care of you. So after all, it's a simple technique which I have given you. Just surrender to Guru. Develop a bhava at least towards a Guru. Even if you don't have a love feel towards God, but why don't you love your Guru? So, Guru Veena Jnana, Taya Kaise Kirtana Gadela Nami. So, if at least I have given a simple tips to catch hold of Guru. But if you don't do that also, so even for the person who doesn't have any, who doesn't lucky enough to take a birth to know the non-dual path, even for them also I have given such a beautiful tips and simple tips to surrender to Guru. And if you don't do this also, then how will you have a kirtan in your mind? How will you chant the name of the God in your mind? And if you don't do that, how could you attain the highest level? That means the permanent bliss in your life. So that is the feeling of Jnanadeva. I assume this way. And finally, he is also telling that don't think that the path of non-duality and all those things are very difficult to understand, or all those things are, it is not possible for me, I am not eligible person. You may think in all this way, no? For that purpose only he is giving in the final line, Jnanadeva mane sahuna he dhyana nama pada mauna prapanchache. No need to think about the hard things in your life. See, if you just surrender to Guru, he will introduce a God, and that too in the form. He will show you the God in the form first initially. And he will create a love feel towards the Sakuna. That means a form God. That means that God in the form, God is in the form also, God is in the formless also. So initially, this Guru will show you the God in the Sahuna format, and he will develop a love feel towards the particular form of the God, and he will develop the chanting, practice to chant the name of the God. So if you do so, what will happen? So automatically, all the Mauna Prapanchache here, what I am meaning, according to Jnanadeva, the whole universe is full of difficulties only. And all those difficulties will keep silence in your life. Nothing can touch you, nothing can harm you, nothing will create any trouble to you, nothing will create any problems to you. So everything will become silent. And you can enjoy anything and everything in this world. The whole universe cannot touch anything out of you. So therefore, it is not so difficult. You just surrender to Guru. He will take care of you. He will show you the God in the Sahuna, that means in the form, and he will develop the love towards that form, and by chanting the name of the God, you will be untouched by the difficulties of this universe. So by this, what we are able to understand, we feel the love of our Guru, how he is insisting us to chant the name of Guru, to surrender to Guru as well as to chant the name of God with full of feel. So at least after this, we should have a courage enough in our mind to follow what our Guru says. Thank you so much.